Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Google account couldn't sign in. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now all you gotta do is just simply check to see if you are connected to the stronger internet or not. Sometimes the weaker internet also might be causing the issues that you're facing, so just simply switch to the stronger connection. Now if you are still facing the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over to the settings app, and once you're inside the settings, scroll down, then tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is locate your Gmail app and then tap on it, and once you're inside here, tap on offload app. Now what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing your issue. Now once that process is done, tap on delete app, and once that process is done, all you gotta do is try again. Now if you are still having the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Gmail, and now tap on search, and here tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.